Hello, everyone. So today we're going to be looking at creating the stress strain curve in Microsoft Excel. And one of the first things you want to do is to calculate your stresses and your strains. All right, so you're going to have those stresses and strains listed in a column view. All right, so all my stresses that I calculated using the formulas, all my strains that I calculated using the formulas. Once you have this, the next step is to go to the Insert tab. Once you get to the Insert tab, you're going to look for the columns section or the chart section. All right, so you look for the chart section and you're going to look for the scatter option, but you're not going to just click the button. You got to click the drop down and look for the scatter with smooth lines and markers or scatter with smooth lines. I'm going to select the scatter with smooth lines and markers because I want to see where those points are. This is dependent on your preference, but for right now, for this demonstration, we're going to be looking at scatters with markers, right? So I'm going to select that option. You're going to notice that the chart is blank, all right, because we haven't selected any data as yet. So I am going to select data, choose the option select data. And once I get here for legend entries, or underneath that, I'm going to click the little plus sign. That's going to add a new entry. Now, my name for this diagram, I'm just going to call it stress strain diagram. And then you see two different rows. You see for the X values and the Y values. The X values represents your strain, all the values for your strain. The Y values represents all the values for your stress. So I'm going to click inside this blank area and I'm going to select the first value for my strain. I'm going to drag my mouse all the way down to the end value. And I'm going to repeat that for my stress values, which are the Y values. So click first one, drag it all the way down to the last one. Once you have that, you click OK. This is your stress strain diagram. You can enlarge it. And the only thing we have to do next is to label the axes. So to label the axes, we got to put strain down here and we got to put stress on the side here. So I'm going to go add chart element. And again, I'm going to click the arrow, the downward pointing arrow to get some other options. And I'm going to go axis titles, primary, horizontal, right? Strain. Repeat the process, primary vertical, stress, right? And this is your stress strain diagram, right? Thank you. Have yourselves a great day.